A TCL TV screen that flickers, flashes, or blinks can turn even a quick show into a frustrating experience. Whether the problem is constant or comes and goes, there are several possible reasons behind it. In this video, you'll see step-by-step troubleshooting methods, from quick resets to more detailed setting adjustments to help you fix the issue right at home. The first thing you should try is power cycling your TCL TV. This is a simple step, but it can fix a lot of common issues. Start by turning off the TV using the remote. Then unplug it from the power outlet completely. Now find the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it for about 15 seconds. After that, wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging the TV back in. Some people even wait up to 30 minutes to make sure all the leftover power drains from the TV. Once you've waited, plug it back in and turn it on. Check if the flickering is gone. This process helps clear out temporary glitches and resets the TV's internal memory, which often solves the problem. Disconnect all the HDMI cables and any other devices connected to your TCL TV. Take a moment to check each cable for any visible damage or wear. Sometimes even a small bend or crack can cause problems. After that, plug them back in carefully and make sure they fit tightly into the ports. If you have extra HDMI cables at home, it's a good idea to test the TV with a different one, just to rule out the possibility that a bad cable is causing the flickering. Loose or damaged cables can create signal issues, which may lead to the screen blinking or flashing. Now go into the picture settings on your TV. To get there, press the Home button, go to Settings, then Display and Sound, and open the Picture Settings menu. Try switching between different picture modes like Normal, Movie, or Vivid to see if any of them improve the screen. You can also lower the brightness and backlight settings, as too much brightness can sometimes make the flickering worse. Then go into the advanced settings and turn off features like Motion Clarity or LED Motion Clear. These extra effects might be causing the screen to behave strangely. Next, you'll want to check for a software update. On your TCL TV, go to Settings, then System, and choose Software Update. Select Check Now to see if a new version is available. If there's an update ready, download and install it. For TCL Android TVs, you can find this by going to Settings, then Device Preferences, then About, and finally System Update. Updating the firmware can fix bugs that may be causing the flickering. If nothing has worked so far, you can try doing a factory reset. Just keep in mind, this will erase all your settings and return the TV to how it was when you first got it. If you have a TCL Roku TV, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset, and choose Factory Reset Everything. If you're using a TCL Android TV, go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. Only use this step if everything else hasn't fixed the flickering. Try switching the input on your TV to a different HDMI port or source. For example, if you were using HDMI 1, move to HDMI 2 and see if the flickering changes. You can also try watching something through the built-in apps like YouTube or Netflix to test if the flickering still happens there. Another thing you can do is connect a different device, like a game console or DVD player, and check if the problem shows up with that device too. This helps you figure out if the issue is coming from the TV itself or from something you've plugged into it. If you're using a gaming console and notice the flickering only during gameplay, it might be caused by a setting called VRR, or Variable Refresh Rate. Go into your console settings and turn off VRR, or adjust the refresh rate to match what the game is using. This setting is meant to improve performance, but can sometimes create flickering problems on certain TVs. That's it for this video on how to fix a flickering screen on your TCL TV. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you get things back to normal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got questions? Or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.